Hey guys, how to do a Mini Cooper oil filter housing in under an hour. I see a lot of videos of different things that people were saying to do, remove clips and remove sensors, stuff like that. I did this in about just over an hour, maybe an hour and 15 minutes. One important thing, make sure you have an impact with your Torx on there. That's very important. This will make taking this brace off really quick. Next is just getting this, once you have this brace out, getting uh, the fan shroud out. One of the things you're going to run into is actually getting it unclipped. So you just have these two ports that hold it in place. And then after that, just kind of, pry up on it. Remove this connector first, of course. You can remove that just by pinching these. And then once you have that out, you can pretty much get to your oil filter housing, which is down there. I replaced mine with a aluminum one, but I see a lot of people that remove the whole front of the car, remove, a bunch of other stuff. You do not need to do that. And after that, it's pretty cut and dry, but it's pretty easy. You can do it in about an hour.